Let's face it, most YouTube creators have fantasized about making money from their channels. But don't worry if you're still short of the required number of subscribers and views for display ads. There are other methods as well. We'll go over all you need to know about monetizing a YouTube channel throughout this video. I'll provide you with some monetization facts and show you some strategies for starting a business, even with a modestly sized channel. Enjoy the journey. Number 1. Pick a niche. When it comes to YouTube, narrower is better. Niche content is more likely to attract a loyal following, and therefore, more lucrative ad deals. Number 2. Be consistent. Upload videos on a regular basis. This will keep your viewers coming back for more. Number 3. Hook them in the beginning. Start your videos with a catchy intro or headline to get people's attention. Number 4. Make it interesting. Don't just talk about the same old thing all the time. Spice up your content with new and interesting topics. Number 5. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments and questions from your viewers. This will help build a community around your channel. Number 6. Use a quality camera. Make sure your videos look professional by using a good quality camera. Number 7. Use good lighting. Bad lighting can make your videos look amateurish. Make sure you have good lighting to make your videos look their best. Number 8. Keep it short. Most people don't have the attention span to watch long videos. Keep your videos short and to the point. Number 9. Use music. Music can add a lot of emotion to your videos. Use music to help convey your message. Number 10. Be creative. Be creative with your content. This will help you stand out from the competition.